Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this drafting chair that I think could be really good if you're into one of those positions. For example, if you're working as just to give you an example, working as a cashier and you're just kind of like standing all day, but you need to be kind of like in a taller position, like eye level contact with some people, or if you're into painting and want to do kind of like those really high paintings places, or also if you're like drawing, have those really nice and big desks, or just like regular sitting if you can, because this is a drafting chair. You know, a drafting chair usually goes a little bit higher like regular chairs. As you can see over here, I'm super tall and I can't touch the floor almost from right here, because this one goes as tall as 30 inches, almost 32 inches actually, because it's 30.7, so almost 31 inches tall. You can see how tall I am. But this one can be also used as regular chair. Like you can see over here, can also be used as a regular chair, and it's a pretty comfy one. I have to say that this one supports 300 pounds, so that's actually quite a lot of weight. So some of the things about this chair: number one, these are super padded. The armrests are padded right here, but you can't modify the height, so that's something that you need to know. You can put them in a storage position if you need, so this is kind of like a space saver chair, I want to say as well, because you can put it down here kind of like underneath the actual desk. So I really like that. And of course, something super good about this chair is the lumbar support over here, which is a dedicated lumbar support that you can adjust. You can actually push it more or just lay it back a little bit if you need. But I do like it when it's kind of like more pushed to the front, because that's going to give you a really nice sitting position for sitting when long periods of times, I want to say. Some of the other things about this chair, let me show you right here. Putting the armrest back, it comes right here with a coat rack. I want to say that this is not super usual, but since you're going to be kind of like not being able to reach the floor every single time because you're going to be in a taller position, having a coat rack, I think it's kind of cool. So you just like come to work or come to your painting site or something like that at your office, and you put this with your coat. So that's actually quite good. I do like this one as well. As you can see over here, you can tilt the headrest and you can modify the height as well. So that's actually kind of good if you want to have that for your head as well. And this right here, I want to say that it's super firm. This is not a super thick and cushioned seat. It's more like a firm one. You can see that it's a high density one, so it's more meant to be sitting for long periods of time. But then something super good about this one is that comes right here with the footrest that you can actually change the height if you need. So I'm gonna put it back here. So I'm gonna go super tall. So when you're in this position, you need something to support your feet. So that's why the footrest is right there. This is a good drafting chair if you need something like this for your work site or your I don't know, like your workshop if you're painting or if you're drawing, or you just need something that can gives you that when you have like those big electric standing there, so you want to be sitting in a taller position, you can actually use this chair. It is super versatile. It supports 300 pounds. The assembly process is really simple, and actually I'm surprised in how comfy this one is. And the coat rack, of course, is a really nice plus. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.